Namaste everyone. Welcome to the MOOC course AI Smart Teacher. In this video, we will see 1.3 challenges and ethical concerns. In the previous modules, we discussed what AI is and how it benefits the teachers. But today, let us talk about something equally important, the challenges and ethical concerns related to AI in education. Because remember, every powerful technology brings responsibility. In this session, we will discuss data privacy and security issues, bias and reliability of AI content, overdependence of AI tools, and academic integrity concerns. So let us begin. Why discusses challenges? Now see, AI is very powerful, no doubt, but it is not perfect. If we use AI blindly, without understanding its limitations, it can create serious problems in education. As teachers, we are not just users of technology, we are responsible users. So, understanding the risk is as important as understanding the benefits. Data privacy and security issues. Let us first talk about the data privacy. Whatever we use AI tools, especially online platforms, they collect the data. Now what kind of data? Student names, email IDs, performance records, attendance patterns, sometimes even behavioral patterns, whatever we upload to them. Imagine this situation. You upload your student's answer sheet to an AI tool for analysis. Do you know where that data is stored? Who has access to it? How long it will remain there? Many teachers do not check the privacy policies. That is risky. If student data get leaked, it can harm their identity and safety. Then, so what should we do? Avoid uploading sensitive personal information of anyone, not a student, not a parent, not a school, not a self. Use trusted platforms, read the privacy policies, take institutional permission where is necessary. As a teacher, we must protect student data like we protect exam papers. Bias and reliability of AI generated content. AI is trained on massive data sets from the internet, but the internet itself contains biased, incomplete, and sometimes incorrect information. So, AI may generate cultural biased examples, one-sided viewpoints, incorrect facts, outdated data. For example, you ask AI to generate a history explanation. It may present only one perspective and ignore others. Or you ask it to create a science definition. Sometimes it may sound correct but contains a subtle errors. If a teacher directly copies and pastes without verifying, student may learn incorrect information. So remember this rule. AI can assist, but the teacher must verify. Always cross-check important content from the textbook and reliable academic sources. Overdependence on AI tools, it is also one of the major challenge. If we start depending too much on AI, we may stop thinking deeply, we may stop designing our own activities, we may become mechanical users. Imagine the scenario. Every day you ask AI to generate your lesson plan. You do not modify it, you do not reflect on it. Slowly, your own planning skill may reduce. Same for the students. If students use AI for every assignment, they may stop developing writing skill, problem solving skill, and analytical thinking. So AI should enhance human intelligence, not replace it. So we must maintain the balance. Academic integrity concern. Today students can generate essays, projects, assignments, even research summaries using AI tools. Now imagine a student submits a perfectly written assignment in 5 minutes, but did the student understand the topic? Did the student actually think? If AI is misused, it becomes a shortcut. This creates the problems in fair evaluation, authentic learning, and skill development. So teacher must redesign assessment strategies. For example, more Viva based evaluation, classroom presentations, application based question, reflective writing tasks. Instead of banning AI completely, we should we should teach the students how to use it ethically. Teachers' ethical responsibility. As a teacher, we have a big responsibility. We must guide students about ethical use of AI, explain when AI use is acceptable, encourage originality, promote critical thinking. We should also develop our own AI literacy. That means understanding how AI works, its limitations, and its risks. Technology will evolve, but ethical teaching values must remain constant. Now, practical discussion example. Let me give you a classroom example. Suppose you give a project on impact of social media on youth. Many students submit very polished answers. You suspect AI uses. Instead of punishing them immediately, you can ask them to explain their project orally. Ask them how they structure the argument. Ask them to connect it with the local examples. This way, AI becomes a supportive tool, not a cheating tool. Similarly, if you use AI for lesson planning, you must adapt examples to your local classroom context. AI gives a draft, you give the meaning to it. Balanced approach to AI. So, what is the final message? AI is powerful, AI is useful, but AI must be used wisely. Verify information, protect student data, avoid overdependence, and promote originality. And most importantly, remember that education is a human centered process. No machine can replace empathy, values, inspiration, and mentorship. So, summary, let us quickly summarize. We discussed data privacy and security issues, biased and reliability of AI generated content, overdependence on AI tools, academic integrity concerns. Understanding these challenges helps us become responsible AI enabled teacher. In the next modules, we will move towards the practical tools and safe implementation of different AI strategies. Thank you for watching complete video.